Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hi guys, today in this video we are going to talk about inverter welding machine which has no power output. While you can see here IGBTs, I already replaced the 4 IGBTs, but still this machine doesn't make any output. My one friend asked me, Pratik Raja, my last video, to explain a little bit more. Last time that video has a CT fault. You can see CT section is here, and you can see, I show you here. We just need to do continuity section, and you can see here not showing any beep sound, and you can see here it will show beep sound. It's mean this machine has a CT faulty, and I already told this CT has 301 turn. That 1 turn most of the time is faulty, and we will just replace with this CT, and our machine will work fine. As you can see here, CT is here, but most of the time you cannot see the fault where it goes. Here I turn on the machine, and you can see here I just select the meter DC voltage, and you can see here once we connect the probe, it doesn't show any voltage. And as my previous videos, I told you how to repair that bottom section and top section. While everything is fine, we just check the CT. It is not always the CT fault. Most of the time is IGBTs are faulty. I already replaced those, but after replacing that IGBTs, I just found this CT is faulty. I hope that you guys understand this. Just I replace now for that CT with this, and just I show you here also again with the help of continuity, and you can see here. I just check the CT is fine. The single turn I replace that, and I show you the output voltage. Here you can see I open already that CT, and you can see here is the terminal was damaged, and you can see little bit carbon here, that area we cannot see with our naked eye, while we check with the meter, with the help of meter, and we just remove and just saw. Now we will just replace that CT, and I show you. Here we are going to change that CT. We have to resolder this one. Here friend, you can see after we replace that CT, there we set the meter at the AC, and adjust the probe here, and you can see 73 volt is here. Okay, I hope you guys like my video. Subscribe my channel. More inverter machine related videos and the other power tools that's coming maybe a little bit after. So thank you so much. See you next video.